Today, I'll show you how to check if your PayPal account is verified. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website before entering your login details. Once you are signed in, check the home screen first. If PayPal still needs you to verify something, you may see an alert, notification, or message asking you to confirm your email, link a bank, confirm a card, or provide identity information. If you see a warning message, tap it and follow the instructions. Now tap your profile icon or open settings. Look for account info, personal information, or login and security, depending on your PayPal version. Check your email address. If your email is confirmed, that is one important sign your account is set up correctly. If it says unconfirmed, open your email inbox, find the PayPal confirmation email, and follow the link to confirm it. Next, go to Wallet. Here, check your linked bank accounts and cards. If your bank or card says confirmed, your PayPal account is more likely to be verified. If it says confirm, pending, or unconfirmed, tap it and follow the steps shown by PayPal. PayPal may confirm your bank instantly, or it may send small deposits to your bank account. If that happens, check your bank statement and enter the exact amounts in PayPal. You should also check for identity verification requests. Go back to the home screen and check your notifications again. If PayPal asks for a valid ID, proof of address, or other documents, upload clear copies through the official PayPal app or website. Make sure your name, address, and details match your PayPal account. If there are no alerts, your email is confirmed, your bank or card is confirmed, and you can normally send, receive, or withdraw money, then your PayPal account is most likely verified. If you are still unsure, open the PayPal Help Center and contact support from inside your account. So, to keep it simple, sign into PayPal, check for alerts, confirm your email, open Wallet, make sure your bank or card is confirmed, and complete any identity checks PayPal requests. And that's how you check if your PayPal account is verified. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.